All right, we're back. So we have our wish can on the Glock 17. It did not work in the Fab Defense chassis. So we're gonna see if it'll work just by itself after we shaved it down so it wouldn't strike the guide rod. Here we go. Nope. Very first round. Very first round, malfunction. So let's clear that out. Gun's safe. And we're gonna take that wish can off. Obviously, we fill the airtime gap by talking about nothing. Maybe complaining about YouTube policies. Just kidding. Anyway, we've got our other suppressor here. Give me 1 second. Okay. This is a Nielsen device. There is something up when I have this firearm inside of that chassis. But I hope that gives you a small review on the Fab Defense chassis systems, if they're actually going to work with your suppressor, your Glock 17 Gen 5 being in there. I believe they were meant for Gen 1 through 3. So if you're a Fab Defense guru, drop a comment. Thanks.